Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs, divide it into two parts like this and fix it using the rubber bands in the front. Rotate it using this hair styling tool like this. Now tie all the hairs, make the plaits, fix it on the top and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs, fix this beautiful hair accessory on the hairs. Fix it by making the plaits on the hairs like this. Tie it tightly, don't make it loose, otherwise the ribbons may come out. Fix it as shown in the video and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs like this on the back. Now take rest of the hairs, tie it using the rubber bands from the sides, fix them on the back together. Now fold it upward and fix it around the bun, make the plaits, fold it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the hairs on the sides. Now take small section of the hairs in the downside, fix them by tying the rubber bands like this, tie them together after that and fix them on the top on both the sides. Fix them and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie small section of the hairs in the front and then rotate it using this hair styling tool. Now again take the hairs from the back and make the plaits on the sides like this. Follow the same step for the other side as well, fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs like this in the front and then rotate it using the hair styling tool. Now we will follow the same step for the other side as well. Tie all the hairs together on the back, fix the threads like this first and make the plaits to fix the threads properly. Tie them together on the back and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.